Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use CATIA practice tutorial 2 drawing here. Okay, CATIA practice tutorial 2 is drawing here today. Today is use a drafted filleted pad, you can say here, and this 3D model is design, and this is a drawing, this is a sketch, 2D sketching this 3D model design, and this is a 2D sketching. You can say here this is a front view, and this is a left view, and this is a top view, and this is isometric view. This product is a ready, and this is a 3D product. Okay, all dimension is millimeter, and one by one you can see here, and drawing a this is a final product, and use a drafted filleted pad. Drafted filleted pad use a very important in CATIA software, and this is a very important this drawing, and you can see here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software and drawing this design and learn some 2D geometry and 2D sketching this point. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and use a this point is a drafted filleted pad, and this drawing is a very important, and this is not active, but some drawing at first, some drawing, then this point is active. Okay, at first select a plane is a top plane. Okay, sketch, and okay, this is a rectangle is drawing, and this is a length is 202.6, and height is 168.64. okay, and this is a pad is 42 mm. Okay, drawing a rectangle. Okay, center point drawing, and this is a this drawing, and this okay, this okay, 202.6 and 168. okay, 202.6. okay, and this is a drawing here 168.64. 168.64. okay, this is a correct, and okay, exit, and at first use a pad is a 42. okay, 42, this is a correct, and next use a direct use a pad, at first drawing Z. okay, this is a undo use, and this is a use a direct, this is a exit, and direct use a drafted filleted pad. okay, this is a, and this is a okay. This is a very important point, you can see here, learn very important. okay, At first, this drawing, rectangle drawing, use a plane is top plane, and this length is 40. Okay, this is a preview, and this selection, first limit is 40 mm and second limit is a selection. Okay, and this point is a point is a xy plane is top plane. This point is a top plane. This is a very important. At first use a, in which plane first use, then second is use a same plane use. Okay, pad is first limit is 40 mm and second limit is xy plane. At first use a, this design use a xy plane. Okay, and angle is a increase and decrease. Angle is a 11. Okay, preview is showing here, and this is also use a, this is a fillet edge 6.43 and use a and lateral radius, and this is a fillet in use very important, and first is a lateral radius and second is first limit radius and third is second limit radius. 3 radius is very important, and first is a increase. Okay, preview is showing this is a lateral radius. Okay, increase, also increase, this is a lateral radius. Okay, and first limit radius is also increase the value is 10. This is a this point is a first limit radius, and next point is a second limit is use. This is not so, but use a this is not so, but some is use, and drawing, this is a perfect. This is not so, but this any when you use a pocket, this point in use drafted filleted pocket, this is a clearly so second limit radius. Okay, first is a some hidden. Okay, this is a correct, and some point is used, some cell is used, and this is a 1 mm is increase 2 mm. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and also you can see here some is a 8, this is a correct. Okay, also 5 is correct, and also this is a default inside thickness is setting 1 mm, but increase and decrease you can see here. Okay, and this default outside thickness is 0 mm, but increase this is, and this is a correct. Okay, and also drawing here. Okay, this is a correct, and thickness is more, but thickness is a less, and this is a 2, this point is 2, and this point is 2 is correct. Okay, and drawing a this is a correct. Okay, this is a fulfill a color, the all is pink color. Okay, this product is, this pad is a property and color is a pink color. Okay, this is a pink color, this point is a Okay, this is a green color. Okay, this pad is a change a color is a green color. Okay, this is a green color, and this draft and all fillet is, you can see here, cell is use a pink color. Okay, and this plate is use a color is separate, and this is a this color. Okay, and this color and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect showing here. Okay, all is correct. This body is ready, and 3D body is perfect drawing, you can see here. And this is a 3D drawing. CATIA software practice a beginner students is very important, and this body drawing here easily and clearly. Okay, okay, and this body is drawing, this is a help of 2D a sketching point. Okay, okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and press bell icon, and like and share this channel. Okay, and CATIA practice tutorial 3rd is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.